Hey YouTube, it's Jonas here in another video, and this is a unboxing of Volume 1, Summerslam Complete Anthology 1988 to 1992. Got this from FYE. Did the buy one get one sale, whatever. Got another one, but you probably already saw that video. But yeah, I already had the thing pre-opened a little bit, so it didn't. And then the struggle on getting it open with one hand or whatever, so the camera down. But here it is. It is pretty crushed up, but it was $10 for 10 events. As long as they work them, that's pretty okay with me. Since there's like $5 for this. Got Summerslam right there. There's the back. I think that's on the back. Same back. It's got the same cover. Got British Bulldog, Bret Hart, Ted DiBiase, Big Boss Man, Ultimate Warrior, Rick Rude, Hulk Hogan, Mr. Perfect. Some of the same people on the back. Here's the back. Probably not going to read that. If you want, you can read that. Probably can't, but yeah. There it is. Okay, the disc seems fine. Let me open it up. I guess it was a little bent right there. But some more pictures. Don't really want to go with everybody now. There's a lot of pictures. And there's some more on the insides. Oh, maybe not on that side, but you got 1988. Says the date on there, whatever. It's pretty cool. There's the matches. 1989. The matches, there's a lot of them. Whoa, there's a ton of matches on SummerSlam 90. Here's 91. I heard this was a good one. 91. This 4. And then the last one, 92, the one in Wembley Stadium. Or Wembley Arena. I can't remember what it's called, which one it was, but yeah, that's the unboxing of SummerSlam Volume 1 Anthology. Volume 2 unboxing is coming soon. And that's about it. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, bye.